ikot talaga siya pag masentro. Ayan guys, oh. Ikot siya. So maliit lang ito guys, saksukatin natin. Ganyan. Pag mag side to side siya guys, dito siya umpisa nag-iikot guys. So dito lang banda ang item umpisa at hanggang, so maliit lang guys.
The purpose of this assembly is to insulate the brochure. Okay. So, make sure that that pressure. Okay. This is more active and accurate than the copper quantity wire. This is good. I use this because this is very active. Okay, and the is like this. Okay, so it's the other side like that. Okay, like that done. Okay. Like that. Like that. Okay. You cut this off. Okay. Yeah. Like same size. That is the same size, same big. Okay. So I need to cut it a bit. Okay. And we got the plastic starting, and the last one is I cut this same size, or the same size. Okay. This is the copper one. This is copper pin. Copper. This one. Okay. This is copper one. Sino? Try. Let's try. Okay. So, use in kind of sheet paper or something cardboard to insulate the rod bit that your hand will not ground or direct ground to the rod like that. This is very important that your hand will not ground to the rod. To make accurate the one you did it before. Okay, let's try. Okay. Look. See that? Okay. See that? So? Okay. Okay. Yun. Loading anti-decoy. Just let us test first. Okay. This one can detect. No loading yet. Anti-decoy. Okay. This is 139 kinds of mineral. See? See that? This can detect mineral. Like this. This one. Okay. Yes, that's decoy. It's a big decoy. This one also. See? So, but now anti-decoy. So this one is like this one without putting anti-decoy yet. Let's try. Okay, so if I put the necklace near to the decoy, let's see, but the pendulum just like that. So we take the gold. So if I put far distance decoy, see that? If I put again, okay, like that. So now let us let it decoy. Okay, so add this one. Okay. Okay. So this one is almost finished, and I have already loaded the anti-decoy in the handle, so this pendulum will not detect anymore here. Even pendulum is not yet loaded with anti-decoy, but because I have loaded already here in the handle, so it will not detect the mineral or decoy. Let's try. I got this one here. Okay, see, it will not detect. Even I will get this one. Okay, never detect. Also this one. Okay, not detect anymore. Maybe this one. Okay, so much more I will put here anti-mineral, so it will guard the pendulum and the handle, so it's more accurate. So now I will load anti-decoy here in pendulum, so see. Okay, and put some glue, gold spot. Okay. Like that. Okay. That's okay. Put some more to get dry. Okay. And now is put mercury. This one, mercury. About done. So only here for the single video to finish.
Hello guys, to all of my viewers. We are here now to test our homemade coal detector. This is my testing area. See that? The item is there in the bamboo. We cannot go near because it's forbidden to go there, but we will try to detect if my gadget can reach at that bamboo. So we will hide here. Okay, so nobody can see us here. Okay. I have this Japan version 4 yung review natin. Japan version 4 non-ferrous pendulum, this one. So had to test this in like that, vertical down pendulum. Let us observe if this Japan version 4 can reach to this 50 to 60 feet. Time now, and the season is full moon time, but I think this one can detect because it's very hot temperature. Okay, okay, target to the point there. Okay, and there is one here beside me, and he is locating that one, that 3. See that? Ito ang estilo ng ating mga gadget. After na ma-detect yung isang site is maglulukit naman siya sa ibang site. So dalawa dito ang merong nakabaon na deposit mga katits. So ito ating Japan. Yan. Pag nakita nyo gumagalaw ang kamay ko, natural lang yan. Kasi gumagalaw yung yung hinawakan mo. May gravity tayo mga katiis. No guys, ito guys ganyan nyo guys. So kung i-horizontal ko siya guys, ganyan. Ayan. Dahil malaki ang buwan ngayon, it is full moon mga katiis. So guys, mahina pa ang pick up niya, pero kakalitik din ito, pero matagal lang. Ayan na guys, umpisa na siya. Umpisa na siya guys. Yan siya guys. Papunta siya doon. Guys. Yan. Yan guys. So ito ating Japan version 4. Ayan guys. This is fully loaded with 139 anti-mineral, so anti-decoy. So ito loaded na guys. At itong nilagay ko na sinkable tube, importante ito guys, para di siya grounded dito sa handle. So kung gagawa ko yun guys, huwag yung kalimutan maglagay dito ng insulator o something na di siya maka connect dito sa handle. So yan guys, titik din tayo doon sa may isang deposit malapit dito guys. Pwede tayo dito magtitik doon. So yan guys, no, yan. At guys, ito naman ang ating i-test, yung ating long range locator na version 1. So tingnan guys, walang tao. Ayan. May bronze dito guys, bronze. Talagang sinasadya yung lagayan. Bronze niya guys, no, hindi ito magnet. Hindi din ito kakalawangin guys, Handa ang item guys, ito. Yan, yan guys. Yan, iba to guys, so hindi na kalibing ito. Natuturo ito sa deposit dito banda. Nandito lang banda deposit guys, no. Dito siya. Dito banda guys. So yun nyo guys, hanapin natin pamagitan ng ating long security version 1. Ito makakahat tayo ng ano niya, ito sa ito guys. Ayan, so dito talaga sa guys, dito ang item guys. Ayan na, sentro na siya guys. Pag masentro mo ang item guys, talaga iikot siya. Hindi naman ginagalaw ang kamoy guys, pero wala kasi ikot guys. Di ba? Natamaan pa niya ang guys, puno ng kahoy guys. Ito sa banda guys, nakasang ikot niya guys. So malapit lang ang deposit dito guys, hindi masyado malalim. Tingnan guys, ang lakas. Test din natin itong ating Japan dito sa may puno guys. Talagang may nakabaon dito guys. Ito guys, dito tayo sa guys, ganyan lang pag guys, pwede kahit paano mo siya ganito hawakan guys, ganyan lang. Tingnan natin kung magtuturo siya guys. Malaki ang buwan ngayon guys, pero dahil sobrang init din ngayon, kakadidik pa rin siya. So yan na guys, umpisa na siyang magditik guys. Yan na guys, lapitan natin guys, sintuhin natin. Lamang pag mas tamaan mo sinto guys, ay iikot siya. Ayan, at tamaan na natin siya guys. So maliit lang ito guys. Yan ang ikot niya guys, no. Yan guys. Oh, malakas din siya guys, no. So malakit lang dito sa puno, pinakapuno guys. So iikot pa siya, oh. Yan, oh. So malaki din itong deposit guys. Ayan siya guys. So hanggang dyan siya. Pag pupunta dito, tamaan ng ugat guys, dito na siya, oh. Pag matamaan yung ugat, dito na siya ikot guys. So ang item start dito guys, oh, papunta doon. So malalaman natin saan ang dimension ng item guys. Ito ang pinakasentro. Paano siya gagalaw pag nakahorizontal yung ating checkpoint guys. Horizontal yan. Yan, flat position, pendulum. Ayan guys, oh. Ganyan siya pag tatango siya guys, oh, up and down. Yan, oh. Ilagay kong kamay ko sa kuan pa hindi ko magalaw guys sa lupa, oh. Yan, oh. Yan guys, oh. Pag iiwas mo siya guys dito banda, yan, iwas natin, oh, punta siya sa papasok siya guys, no. At dito naman sa gilid, malaman natin kung saan din ang boundary niya. Yan, ayan, dito guys ang boundary, oh. Kaya pag iwas ka dyan, dito ganyan na siya. So pag ilapit mo siya, ganyan tamaan. So dito ang boundary ng item na pile guys. At hanggang saan siya side to side guys. Oh, so dyan malit lang guys, 6 inches ang wide ng diameter niya guys. So pag matamaan mo siya, ganyan talaga siyang ikot guys. Okay.